Easy or medium. So let's add an array of modes. So we get the whole listing of modes. Easy, medium, hard. Right, so we have modes as a global, and now we're just going to loop through the select. I never remember how to build a select from scratch. Select, I think we could do that. We give it a name, mode, and then we just need to add our options, right? So let's do that. So we loop in through the modes. So bring some PHP here for each modes as mode, and for each, and then we have our option. You have to give we're gonna make this capital, so you're gonna say string to upper and mode, not model, mode. I think the value is just gonna be mode. Just gonna put that there. Alright, and now we're just going to test this. Alright, so you can see from the output we have our modes listed here, which they in capital letters, and the values should be easy, hard, or medium, easy, medium, hard, right? So